Good morning and welcome to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about the 3-mode drive system on the 2020 Honda Civic Type R. This system features a comfort mode for street driving, a sport mode for more responsiveness, and a Plus R mode to unleash the full potential of the car. Now, sport mode is the default setting, and you can toggle between comfort and Plus R using the switch by the shifter. When comfort mode is on, the suspension softens up to provide a smoother ride, and the throttle response becomes less abrupt. The electric power steering also decreases the effort required to turn. Flip it over to Plus R when you want the car in race mode. The suspension gets stiffer, the electric power steering becomes more firm, and the throttle response increases to deliver the maximum driving experience. The modes can be changed on the fly in order to adapt to any situation. All right, now let's move on to trivia. Today you'll be playing for a Honda roadside safety kit as well as the first aid kit. Question: at which track did the Civic Type R recently set a new front-wheel drive lap record? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.